everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through how to use a citation machine or a citation generator, and this is just going to be used for the websites you used for your mini research project if you would like to cite information from there. And I have a different video called MLA Formatting that shows you how to cite something out of our textbook. So here we go using a citation generator. So I'm going to open this link, and mine was on the end of my presentation. Yours are probably on your resource cards assignment from week 4 and week 5. So I don't want to watch the video. Come on, History Channel. So anyway, this is what I researched for my pretend first body paragraph. What you're going to do is you're going to copy the URL. That's what this is, the URL. And you are going to go to one of two websites. You can go to easybib.com, or I'll show you over here. You could also go to citationmachine.net. Okay, we're going to go to EasyBib first. You need to click Create Citations. We're going to select Website, and we are going to paste that website right in there. All right, cool. So this looks like the easybib.com found the website that I was looking for. So now we are going to work on reviewing some info. Here's what they found. That looks good. We're going to click continue, and let's see if we can find the name of the author. And let's see if we can find, was there something else that was missing from it? Nope. Okay, let's just see if we can find the author. Okay, historychannel.com. Oh, so it looks like this was just written by the history.com editors. Let me just make sure. Author is history.com editors. So let's see. Editor. And we'll just put history.com. Oh, there it is actually. Nope, we wasted our time with that because it says history.com editors right there. It's got the URL. I think we're ready to continue on. All right, the citation is being created. Cool. So we are going to copy the bibliography citation. It says it might be incomplete, but it's just mad because we don't have the first and last name of an author. If your website is credible, like historychannel.com or animalplanet.com, like some places that do big documentaries, their stuff's going to be generally pretty credible. So now I'm going to go over to, here we go, Works Cited. So I have a Works Cited page set up. You don't have to, not yet. That's another assignment. But you just need to copy and paste it and make sure it's double spaced. That's important. That looks really good. So now let's go over and try ourselves some Citation Machine. So I'm going to go back, going to copy my URL again, and now we're at Citation Machine. I only want to create citations, MLA, copy and paste the website, and they're going to search websites. They found it. All right, that all looks really good. I'm going to create citation, and then we will copy this, and it's the same thing. Go over to your document, Gonna paste it. What's cool is this one's already double spaced for you. All right, and that is the end of this video. I hope you've learned all the things and that you can cite like a king now, I guess. Good luck!